It was nice to meet you. Hang out this week.
It was nice seeing you again.
All right, go ahead and close this up. Go ahead, get the jury up. We start with that. All right, let's go.
Any comment?
Right here.
Mr. Govan, right here.
The ladies stand next to you. Hold on, let me get my shot set. Great outcome. What do you have to say about it?
I just want to say thank you to my attorneys, Manny, Robert, Haley, Beth, Handel, my private investigators, everybody for helping me. I didn't have the resources to necessarily, cover everything, and Manny still helped me, and he knew I was innocent. Everybody around me knew I was innocent. I just want to say thank you to the jurors for getting this right and getting my life back.
And that's the main thing. What was it like during the trial? At what point did you think, "Hey, wait a minute! I think I have a chance"?
Well, I knew I had a chance from the beginning because I knew in my heart I was innocent, and so it was times during the trial. Of course, you get some frustrations and stuff here and there, but overall, I knew my innocence would prevail.
And how do we do prepping and everything? Did everything go as planned for you two as well?
Well, it's trial. You never know what's going to happen. All you can do is prepare the most you can. There were a lot of sleepless nights and countless hours of preparation for the last, year and a half.
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, the elbow grease that the team put into this, and with the help of him too. He was an incredibly helpful client. But you just never know what's going to happen in trial or what the jury's going to think. So until closings, pins and needles.
Anything else you'd like to say?
I just want to say thank you to my family and the few friends that stuck close by me during this process and knew that I was innocent as well, and they didn't shy away from me. So I just want to thank them.
I'm sorry if you already answered, but when you heard those 5 words, "you are free to go," just that reaction.
You want to know how I felt?
Absolutely.
It's hard to explain the feeling of knowing you got your life back, and it's one of the best feelings I ever experienced, and I'm just happy to be free.
How much of a weight is this, lifted off of your shoulders after hearing not guilty, not guilty?
It's a huge weight, I was fighting more so for my son. I have an autistic son, so that's what my fight was mainly for.
What was going through your mind when you heard the attorneys and you heard them say not guilty? What were you thinking then?
I was just thanking God, just praising God, because without Him, I don't even know if I would have made it this far. He gave me the strength.
What was that feeling this morning when you got up? Was there a feeling of nervousness? Because Mr. Manny over here it was like he was lighthearted today. So did that sort of rub off? Because energy is contagious. Did it rub off?
Well, if I'm gonna be perfectly honest, of course I was nervous waking up. But when I made it to my attorneys, of course that all goes out the window because they're always positive and confident. So, it was a big help having them.
You talked a lot about your son. I sat at the very back row this whole time, but I saw you constantly looking back at your family. How important was it to look back, see your family here throughout the entire trial?
Hey, Mr. Govan, sorry guys, the judge has requested we don't do interviews in the courtroom.
Oh, okay.
We'll catch y'all outside though.
Okay, thank you.
We rolled on it back in the day. Thank you.